How to change the wiper linkage on a Hyundai Genesis Sedan 2014. Remove wiper arm nut covers. Remove wiper arm nuts. Remove the wiper arm. Remove push pins. Remove the compartments. Remove push pins. Remove the plastic trim. Remove 4 plastic bolts. Remove the cowl panel. Remove wiper linkage bolts. Disconnect the wiper motor plug. Remove the nut. Remove the wiper motor bolts. Position the new replacement wiper linkage to the wiper motor. Position the wiper motor bolts. Secure the wiper motor bolts. Reinstall the nut. Secure the nut. Install the wiper linkage bolts. Secure the wiper linkage bolts. Plug in the wiper motor connector. Remove the nuts on the wiper linkage shafts. Reinstall the cowl panel. Reinstall plastic trims. Reinstall the compartments. Reinstall the 2 wiper arms. Reinstall the nuts. Secure the nut. Reinstall the 2 nut covers.